Okay, hello everybody, this is Compatan here. We are playing Build a Boat, and we're gonna do build battles in Build a Boat. So, this is another video in that we're doing build battles, and so speed build, basically, you get 20 minutes to build something, and then you build in this little compartment area, rules, no peeking, um, no building outside of the arena, and okay, so apparently, we're doing it different than what I thought we were doing. You just gotta check on that. Hello? Anyone? Okay, I guess that's what we're doing. So let's see. Hmm. How are we gonna do this? Blade now? Okay, so it's now Blade. I'm letting Puppy, Okay, so we're doing the Beyblade now. So let's see. How do we do this? I guess start with this? Hmm. So, I used to play this as a kid, this game, actually. Um, it was actually pretty fun, but went out of style. Now, what is it? Pokemon Go? That's the most popular? I guess. Really don't know. So we're just gonna build it like this. So I'm going, do you remember that one that was like a bowl? It had like a bowl core. I don't know what it's called. Please don't like rage on me for not knowing. I haven't played this in a very long time. So like, I'm pretty out of it. But I'm trying to build something like that. So we're doing the metal topping right now. Eey, that's not good. I'm not sure how this is gonna be working. There we go. I think that's good. Okay, then we do the red core. Just like that. There's your blue light. So let's color this black. So this time I'm feeling pretty chill, because it isn't that big of a thing. It's more laid back. So we're gonna keep the red like that. And then now we gotta build a we gotta build the other one. So we got another wheel, putting it up. We're gonna put it here. So again, our tip is going to be like this. That's... Did I build that right? Okay, I did. So you have to keep the wheel a few spaces away so it doesn't like lock up, because if the wheel locks up, then it won't be able to turn. So you have to leave a little space in here. And did I? I'm pretty sure this is how it works. 14 left. So... Okay, I know what? I'm just gonna build this, and then we're gonna test it. That's the only way to really know. So here, 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 here. Okay, so we got that. Now we just need to add, okay, I need red blocks here. Okay, come. So, how am I gonna do this? Like this? Probably in two opposite corners. Yeah, like that. But they're not gonna be red, because this one's red, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint them a blue. Yeah, like that. Okay, so that needs to be darker blue. It's probably this. Yeah, this is it. That's how we build it. So... And now we just need to place a seat, make sure this works. So please work, please work. Oh no, they're not working. I did something wrong. Okay, so yeah, it is that. Except I don't want them turning the same way. I want them turning opposite ways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, this, and let's see. Okay, and then set this to normal. Boom. Boom. Okay, so let's see. Beautiful. Now we just cover up the seat so nobody can sit in it. So this is where we're gonna build an arena around. So just like this is how we're gonna build it. Okay, so that mild distraction, let's get back to this. Oh, this isn't, this needs to go out a few more. Is it to here? What? How is this so off? Okay, so I guess at this point here, we're just gonna do this. It's fine. It's all fine. Yo. Okay, so then build this. Okay, so boom. Okay, so we have 7 minutes left. I know it's gonna be too complicated. Don't judge me yet. Do that on my channel. And this arena is looking awful. Jeez. A. Okay, so we gotta fix this. We have to. There's literally no way. Okay, so like that, and then. this should be. And still not good arena. Great. Okay, let's just go one more out. Hopefully that's gonna work. That looks better. Is it what I wanted? No. But, you know, what are you gonna do? So, okay. Then these are gonna be these blocks. So we're gonna build those ramps, you know, like on the side of a Beyblade arena. Okay, and then boom. Not sure how that changed there. We're just gonna go with it though. Okay, we need to get this all the way around. Yeah, you kind of did. You kind of. Yeah, you did kind of come 15 minutes late. There's really nothing you can do about that. But now that you're on the Discord, you should start getting into videos now. Like, a lot. Oh no, that's not good. I should have spent more time on the Beyblades. That's what's gonna mess me up. That's what's gonna... Oof, he's just messing with us. Oh my god. I don't know if I should laugh or cry. AFL comes in and starts just destroying everything. That's just great. Wiener, wiener, chicken dinner. Yes, thank you. I needed that. It's calming. Building, you know. Speed building. How much time we got left? Ah! Under a minute. Okay, this is where the rush starts. Okay, so there's no time to finish this arena. We just gotta paint it. Okay, time done. I gave everyone a few more minutes, or a few seconds. What the? Bruh. Get your plane out of here. Thank you. I hate building this wall in here. I have to find a new one. Boy, you stopped it? Okay, you didn't. Okay, so